Students, today we are going to learn plate movements. How do plates move? And we will also learn formation of mountains. Children, did you ever think how the mountains are formed? Now I am going to explain you with the help of this video. According to scientists, the Earth's crust is divided into 7 main lithospheric plates. These float on the mantle and are constantly in motion. And we know that circular heat currents are generated in the core that causes the molten rock in the mantle to move. This accounts for the movement of lithospheric plates. The movement of Earth's lithospheric plates is termed as tectonic movements. Tectonic movements, horizontal and vertical movements. And now, what is horizontal movements? These movements produce forces of tension and compression. These forces cause faulting and folding in the Earth's surface. And the vertical movements are caused by forces that uplift the Earth's crust. Now move on to the next, folding of crust, or we can say formation of fold mountains. Fold mountains are formed when the layers of Earth's crust are folded by compression. When stress and strain cause rock layers to buckle, fracture, and fold, changes occur in the shape and volume of the crust. These are further classified into two: anticline and syncline. Anticline, the oldest layer, is in the center of the fold. And syncline is the youngest layer. It is a bowl shape in the center of the fold. Anticlines are folds where rocks are pushed upwards into convex fold. It resembles an arc with the rock beds sloping away from the center of the fold. A syncline is a downfold in rocks in which rock layers are bent downward, forming depressions between the anticlines. And with the help of one activity, if we want to make our own fold mountains with the help of some hand towels. Students, lay 10 hand towels on a flat surface. Place 2 shoe boxes on each side like shown here and push shoe boxes towards center. What you will see? It is compressed. So this activity show how fold mountains are formed. Fold mountains are formed usually from the sedimentary rocks which accumulate along the margins of continents. When tectonic plates collide, the gathered layers of rock may crumple and fold just like a tablecloth, which is pushed across a table. And students, we should know the examples of fold mountains. There are Himalayan mountains in Asia, the Alps in Europe, the Andes in South America, the Rockies in North America. So these are the examples of folded mountains.